Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Got another freshwater engine here today. This one is going to be a 2002 Mercury 90 horse two-stroke. This is going to be a 20-inch shaft, so it'd be a long shaft. Compression came back 170 psi on all three cylinders. Lower unit pressure tested good. It'll come with the aluminum prop that is on it. New spark plugs, new impeller, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, and the fuel system was cleaned. Go ahead and fire this one up here. I will be running the fan. I'll let it run for a couple seconds here, but it is two-stroke and we're running a winter mix. Got it pumping good water. Go ahead and hit the fan. I'd love to run it without the fan, but it's about -5 outside right now, so we're not opening the garage door. And we're running them mixed a little heavy because we don't know if it's going to sit on the shelf for a month or sit on the shelf for a couple months, so we want them winterized when we're putting them up. How it's been going lately, it probably won't be here in a week, but just to be safe. Go ahead and put it forward. Back to neutral, reverse, neutral, leave it on for a second, shut off, fire it back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call, 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you. Have a great day.